Hi, marhaban. In today's lesson, we're diving into the fascinating world of Arabic morphology and quick intro to the alphabet. Here's something cool about Arabic letters. The shape is like a unique piece of art, a group of connected lines that stay the same size. Why? Because Arabic doesn't believe in the upper or lower class letters. Every letter is equal, no capitals here. Arabic letters fit into three vertical zones: the point zone, the shadda zone, and short vowel zone. Below the letter, we find the dot zone, short vowel zone. Now, you might wonder what shadda and short vowels are. But for now, let's focus on the letters. I will explain them in the next video. At the end of the video, you can practice by recognizing a letter shown on the screen and responding. This will make it easier for you to remember the letters. Now, let's begin with the first letter. Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Sa. Sa. Jim. Jim. Ha. 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 Dal. Dal. Zal. Zal. Ra. Ra. Zai. Zai. Sin. Sin. Shin. Shin. Sad. Sad. Dad. Dad. Ta. Ta. Da. Da. Hayin. Ein. Rein. Rein. Ha. Ha. Kaf. 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 Lam. Lam. Mim. Mim. Nun. Nun. Hap. Hap. Wow. Wow. Yap. Yap. Now we have completed learning the letters. It's time for quick review. When letters appear, identify it by saying its name. Let's begin. Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Tha. Dan. Zal. Ra. Za. Sin. Shin. Sad. Dad. Ta, da, عين, ضين, فاء, كاف, كاف, لام. ميم, نون. هاء, واو. Yeah. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will explain the possible position of letters in Arabic. See you soon.